guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is today is January 5th, and this is the start of a brand new week of meals that I make at home right here in Krystals Kitchen. Tonight, I really don't feel like cooking, but I've got some pork chops here thawed out, and we're gonna do some potatoes. I've got an onion that I need to use up because it's about to go bad, and I'm gonna throw some bell pepper in it. And we're gonna do like kind of like a sheet pan situation, only in like this baking dish. So it's gonna be pork and potatoes. I'll probably open like a can of corn or something. My kids like corn, or maybe even do some mac and cheese or something. I don't know. And then we have some rolls left over in the freezer from New Year's. So it's gonna be delicious. I'm probably not gonna talk much. As you can tell, I've lost my voice. I have no idea why. I didn't do anything to lose my voice, but this is how I'm sounding at the moment, and so I'm probably not going to speak to you for the rest of tonight, okay? Pork is nice and washed. Now I need to go wash these. I wash these really good to get all of the dirt off of them, but I'm gonna keep the skin on them so we can get a little extra fiber. The potatoes are cut and washed. Here we go. This is 8 pork chops, boneless pork chops. Underneath is all of the bell pepper, onion, and almost said tomato. Bell pepper, onion, and butter. Put the lid on it and throw it in the oven. Hey guys, what's up? It is the 6th of January. I'm about to get some dinner started. I really need to go grocery shopping, but I'm waiting until my kids go back to school, which is tomorrow, so that I can go to the grocery store by myself. So, I bought a rotisserie chicken to snack on the other day, and me and Ellie ate all of like the legs and like the dark meat. I've got all of this white meat, the breast of the chicken, of the rotisserie chicken. So I'm just going to shred this up a little further, throw it in the skillet, and make some chicken quesadillas. Lillian was super hungry, so she went ahead and made our Velveeta Rotel cheese dip. So that part's done. Steven's on his way home. He had to stop in and grab some chips for us. And that's gonna be dinner tonight. Said I'll give you 75 cents for the whole, including. Homemade chicken stock. Your here's chicken quesadillas made with rotisserie chicken. And I decided to do some like little roll-ups because I had to make some of the chicken stretch so that I could finish out the few tortillas that I had left. So I have the little roll-ups and quesadillas. This is dinner, cheese dip, chips. Hey y'all, I almost forgot to record. Today's the 7th. I've already cooked one pizza. I'm about to put another one in. It is Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we do crock pot, casserole, or frozen pizza. We're doing frozen pizza tonight. Like I said, I've already got one in. It cooked earlier, and now I'm about to throw the second one in.
It is, but I don't want to take. But I want to take the lasagna for.
I'm all eating pancake for him.
So he's been able to sit for a long, ever since we really started training him. Ordered a poo-poo platter. Oh, I think that's for my background check.
Oh, it is. I see. I was
Did you
like,
pass?
boy, she hasn't turned it in yet.
Hey.
Hadn't turned it in yet.
I'll find it.
Pizza is done. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 8th, and I have got some chicken breast pulled out here that's completely thawed. I'm going to cut it up and we're gonna make homemade chicken strips. You may think making chicken strips at home is kind of difficult, but actually it's not. And if you season them correctly, they taste fantastic and are super juicy, and my family loves it and they're really good. So let's stop rambling, let's get to cooking. I'm going to wash these because I have not done that yet, and then I'm going to throw these into some freezer Ziplocs and throw them in the freezer. Chicken is washed. I'm just trying to sop up some of this excess water. Seasonings for tonight are salt. Can you even see that? There we go. Okay. Italian seasoning. I'm almost done with this bottle. So I'm gonna try and use up a bunch of it. I'm with some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some basil, dried basil from my garden. Just give it a good little mash up. Also, we're having mac and cheese and french fries. This is all of the canola oil I have left, so I hope it's gonna be enough. Homemade breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, making homemade chicken strips is basically the same thing as if you were doing like a chicken breast or pork chop or chicken leg for that matter. You have your wet hand and dry hand. This is my egg and milk wash. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. It's not a necessity. I feel like it does better and makes the chicken or pork chop more like crispy, crunchy. This I am using breadcrumbs. You can use flour, you can use a combo. So you literally just put your chicken that's already been sitting here and seasoned. It's just been marinating. I like to mash it down into the breadcrumbs and then use the dry hand and kind of just like coat it like this. Press it down. Make sure the whole piece of meat is completely covered with the breadcrumbs. Here is my breaded chicken strip. Place it in the skillet away from you. Ooh.
Use that stool, everything that it does, and it set it like cooler at night.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna go swimming? I mean, I don't do it. But.
It busted. Breakfast is ready. Steak and eggs. Steak from last night's dinner. And mimosas. Good morning. So I forgot to record, but me and the girls wanted a salty snack, so we made some butter noodles. Hey y'all, what's up? It is the 10th, I think, of January. The last meal for the video, and I've got this huge 10-pound thing of ground beef that I got from Sam's. I'm not gonna cook all of it tonight, but I am gonna make some nachos. So we have been like outside at the pool all day. My sunglasses, I know they're there. They're stuck in my hair. So they're just gonna like hang out for the rest of the video until I like take my hair down. Anyways, we're having nachos for dinner. I don't have all of the super fancy fixins like tomatoes and lettuce and sour cream and all that. So it's gonna be ground beef and cheese on top of chips. Let's get to cooking.
No doubt.
They're supposed to be walking around the block.
Did you have this bit?
I'm arched now.
Committed to providing exceptional experience.
Hey. Fire! Ah! I can't pick it up. It's so hot.